Okay, so for this one, we have to solve using Laplace transformation. So we have to find VO of t. So let's get the Laplace transformation for all of these. So for the resistance, the Laplace transformation for our both resistors are just 1 ohm and 5 ohm, so we can leave those as they are. For this unit step function, we can check this Laplace transformation sheet. And we see we have a match over here. Our C is 0, so that means the Laplace transformation for U of t will be 1 over S. So we'll just replace this with 1 over S. Now, for our capacitance and our inductance, we will have to solve them in the following way. So we know current passing through a capacitor. Okay, hold on, let's do it like this. Current passing through a capacitor is equal to the change in is equal to capacitance times the change in voltage over the change of time. So what we're going to do is take the Laplace of this and the Laplace of this. Okay, so we're going to bring the C out, and for dv, so the Laplace of I of t is just I of s. The Laplace for dv of t over dvt over d of t. So pretty much you have to remember where is it? Here. We have to follow this one. Okay, so it's pretty much gonna be s times v of s minus v, the initial condition of v of v0. So we're told to assume zero initial condition. So v of 0 is going to be 0. So we can just ignore this. So I of s will be equal to c times s v of s. Okay, and we need to put this in impedance format. So it'll be 1 over c of s equals v of s over I of s. And this is just z of s. So z of s is equal to 1 over sc. So for this, we're gonna replace this with 1 over sc, with c being 1 over 3. So it's gonna be 3 over s. Now for our capacitor, for our inductor, it's the same thing. So we know the voltage at an inductor, voltage at an inductor is equal to the inductance times the I of t over dt. Let's take the Laplace on both sides. So this turns into v of s is equal to the inductance times, oh yeah, then di of t over dt. It's pretty much the same principle as this. It's s I of s minus the initial condition of our current, so I of 0. And we're told to assume 0 initial condition, so this will be gone. So it's just v of s is equal to sl I of s divided both sides by is, and this is your z of s. Okay, so for the Laplace of our inductor, it will be sl, where l is 1, so it's just s. All right, so now that we have all this down, we can solve for v of t. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a mesh. We're going to call this I1s, and we're going to call this I2s. Okay, so it'll be, oh yeah, and this is 1 over s. Sorry, I forgot to write that. So it'll be minus 1 over s plus 1 ohm times I of s. Sorry, I1 of s. I'm just going to write it as I1 plus 3 over s times I1 minus I2. And that's for your mesh 1. For your mesh 2, it's 3 over S times I of 2 minus I1 plus 5 I2 plus plus S I2. Okay, so now we just do regular mesh analysis. So I'm going to simplify this out first. So I'm going to do minus 1 over S. I'm going to combine these two, so it'll be plus 1 plus 3 over S I1 minus 3 over S I2. So that's the first equation done. And then this one, I'm going to combine all our I2s, so it'll be 3 over S plus 5 plus S I2 minus 3 over S I1. And this is equal to 0, so I'm going to bring this to the other side. So it'll be 3 over S plus 5 plus S I2 is equal to 3 over S I1. So right now we're trying to find VO of t. So VO, so first we have to find VO of S, which will be equal to I2 of S times S, okay? So we have to solve for I2, alright? So let's isolate for I1. So I think what we can do is times both sides, so pretty much times by S over 3. So it'll be, so we have to do this by S over 3 as well. So your I1 will be equal to 1 over 3 times 3 plus 5S plus S squared times I2. And then you put that into here, okay? So minus 1 over S plus 1 plus 3, oh sorry, you don't put it into here, you put that into here, my bad. So 3 over S times 1 over 3, 3 plus 5S plus S squared I2 minus 3 over S I2. Okay, we can bring this S to this one to the other side. There'll be 1 over S. And then so this and this both have an I2, so we'll put incorporate it into this. There we go. And now we just expand all of this into in here. So let's quickly do that. So let's see what we can do. We can FOIL this and throughout here. So it'll be 1 over 3 plus 1 over S. Then what else can we do? Okay, then it looks like we have to FOIL like all of these and then do that. So that's just 1 plus 5 over 3S plus S squared over 3 plus 3 over S plus 5S over S, so that's just 5 plus S minus 3 over S. So this and this cancels each other out. I'm just going really slowly because the S looks like a 5 and I don't want to mess up. Okay, so looking good so far. So let's collect these two. So 5 over 3 plus 1 s, and then these two, that's just 6. Alright, it's looking good so far. Now let's divide everything by all of this. So to get is alone, so it'll be 1 over s squared over 3 plus 5 over 3 plus 1 s plus 6. Okay, and let's FOIL the s inside here. So wait, hold on a minute. Let's not FOIL the s in yet, because now that we have I2, we can just put that into here. So VO of s is equal to I2 times s. So we just put this into here. So VO of s will be equal to 1 over s squared over 3 plus 5 over 3 plus 1 s plus 6 times s. And so this and this cancels each other out. Now let's see what we should do. Let's times the top and bottom by 3. Okay, so the top is 3, and so this will be s squared plus 5 plus 3 s plus 18. So that's s squared 8s plus 18. And then we will factor this out. So s plus 4 squared plus 2. So that's the same thing as the square root of 2 times to the power of 2. This s can be written as s minus minus 4. Okay, so that's VO of s. And then we have to take the inverse Laplace. So we can take the 3 out and just find the inverse Laplace of the following. Okay. And let's see if we can find a match. Let's see. I think this should be a match. Yeah, I think this should be a match here. So what we'll do is, hold on, let me copy this and bring it up. Oops. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to times the top by the square root of 2 and times the bottom by the square root of 2 as well. And that means I can to use this. So my a will be minus 4 and my b will be the square root of 2. So it will be 3 over the square root of 2 times e to the power of minus 4t times sine b, which is the square root of 2 times t. And that's your VO of t.